Hello friends, welcome Epic Squad. Right now in this video we'll cover adding and subtracting fractions for better understanding. Let's roll into the story. We have these two fractions, 4 over 3 and 5 over 6, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 3 times 5, which is equal to 15. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 24 plus 15, which is equal to 39. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 3 times 6, which is equal to 18. And that is all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.